ice cream guys mayigagaleli ngathi umuntu ice cream angayigaleli ngathi hayi thina support wena nge-ice cream.
Ma uyibuke kahle leya video ya-ice cream uzobona ukuthi already kuloya muzi isimo asikho right yabo. So manje masuthi wena bakhulumela u-ice cream ka-100 rand into eshibhe kanje ishibhile kuwe phela ngoba nina kini nivuka nge-breakfast lesingisi bona abaku-afford musu uzothi ngaze ngikhulumela ice cream ka-100 rand kuwe hayi kubo is a big deal. Ukhisimuzi for sure lo ice cream bawubekela ukhisimuzi musa kuzothi wena uzothatha privilege yakini uzoyiletha la tshele mina hawu nakho lokho
ice cream guys mayigagaleli ngathi
ngicela ukukhulumela ukudla mina ngiyagale
thina support wena
sifemeni
umuntu angasebenzi angathini afuna igaleli shake ice cream
abantwana angumntana
balala 24/7 abathi good day sir abantu abangathi good day sir Jona
ndakhe nanibuza into ukubana le acting niyenzayo kwezi comment section ingaba nithembe uba umfundi mvundo mhlawumbi uzijongile ezi auditions zenu anexesha na. Ndakhe nanibuza zange niniphendule. Ngoku you are in comment sections acting like komakwenu ayikhalazela inkcitho. You are in comment section acting like komakwenu ayikhalazelwa inkcitho. Lapho the way ice cream was absolutely selfish. Unemployed or not, and abantu abathengela ice cream are within their rights uba mabakhalaze. They are within their rights uba mabakhalaze. Aya ne ice cream ka Woolies leya yi-ice cream enkulu kagathi because it was actually economical uba mabathengele ya chances are into abaninzi. It's not necessarily the most expensive to you, but it might be expensive to them because bayisebenzele la mali. Njengoba sitsho nalapho utshoyo pha into yokubana thina siya kind regards thina sithi hello sir sithenga la gathi ice cream sivile kube kumuntu ovela athathe imbombosi yonke yemagi iglass literally kufakwe ibhiya okanye idraft idraft mselibhiya so I wouldn't know. Does it make sense? And if you have never had a male relative, especially as unemployed or weed, like please keep your mouth shut because you guys do not live in real life. You don't live in real life. You know, ni social media ani as a reality. Up until ube ne-male relative ethi ngoku ihleli phaa ithe zava imini yonke vele itye into zelunch zabantwana ithu lithi cwaka ingatsho noba ziphelile. Xa kufuneka nenze ilunch for abantwana azikho ipoloni azikho icheese okokoke behleli apha phambi kwe-TV ezinqunqa. Amadoda are not even resourceful xa bese-unemployed. Amadoda wabikho resourceful even as fathers xa be-unemployed. This is not, it's not rocket science. Yinto nani niyaziyo nikhe niyibona even akobrother benu abantu bangxolisa nifike nizenze bhetere ngokungabantu banababantu on social media. Ni weird man. Oh, you guys are so weird. Aniphili tu ebomini bamanyani. Niphila in theory and in your figment of imagination. Ayikho tu lanto ibiyenza ngilapho utwele ice cream. Wenze kancinci lanto. Kukho lo bezenza bhetere ku-comment section. If unayo i-account lapho uthi makanike i-account number, I even have a better idea for you. Ambomthatha ahlale nawe. Awaste yakho ice cream. Ambomthatha ahlale nawe. Indelena eka Capitec. Ambomthatha ahlale nawe ubuye kuthi after a week. Ubuyele kuthi after a week. Wow, naze na weird.
Samunan guys, it's Papi once again from Black Child Rise. We are out here in Bramfisha, Smo Anga, no Boko Anga. This is the guy that got a call yesterday that was trending, but you could just clean up one. But nonetheless, I just had a brief chat no Boko no Anga about the situation and what transpired, and they have confirmed to me that, as you said, Anga would the video. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, those who are following us, we have a request. Anga needs some sort of help. So TikTokers, please do your thing. we're gonna request firstly Mr. Moloto Lagdach, if if possible, to be able to help Anga. So Ukoko, Anga, maybe let me ask you guys also on record. Anga, do you agree that we can get you help and go to a rehab center? Are you sure? Ngathi sibambeke isiphanga sesivula. Koko ka Anga nawe uyavuma koko? Ne? Alright, kancane nje, let me just take this page. Okay. So no, continue. That's fine. So what's gonna happen is, guys, then is we're gonna request Mr. Lagdach or Mr. Moloto, if possible, can you please get in touch with me on the social platforms? Then I can redirect him to Gogo and Anga. Anga needs help with rehabilitation. He has been on some substances. I won't mention the names, but he needs help. That's one. Number two, what we're gonna do from the Black Child Rise, because our mandate is simple, is to empower the black child from employment. So ngimchazela Anga ukuthi Anga thina sokunceda ukuthola umsebenzi, but unfortunately, because I work with the financial industry, and his state of mind, and it'll be difficult for me to be able to help him to achieve savings. So first thing he needs to do, he needs to be rehabilitated. Once Anga, you've been rehabilitated, then we can step in as the Black Child Rise company, then we can assist you. Okay? What we're gonna do then, guys, for Ugogo, for those who want to help Ugogo as well, right? I've spoken to Ugogo. Guys, as we know, Christmas is approaching, and apart from that, you know, I think we need to find ways to be able to help Anga's family as well. Okay, I'm going to read out Gogo's account, guys, account number. For those of you who wish to donate, this money will go direct to Gogo. This is the account that was given here, those ones who wish to donate, whether it's money for groceries, for clothes, whatever it is that you guys wish to do, guys, please. I will also put the account number on my TikTok, on the video after posting this. Okay, the account number is 63-123-460676. But don't worry, I'll put the account number on the video. For those who wish to donate for Gogo and Anga's family, okay, please do so, guys. The money will go directly to Gogo. Okay, what I'm gonna do, Anga, and this is what I spoke to you about, no Gogo, right? If Mr. Moloto comes through for us and he takes you to rehab, we'll come back, we'll help you, we'll get you a few clothes. Now if you go right, we'll do a bit of shopping, we'll be able to rehab. Then we're gonna monitor your progress, right? Once you start getting to the level that we want, then we're gonna start assisting you with employment. Robert, do you agree with that? Yes. Okay. Is there anything else you wanna say, my brother, before? Yes. Okay, guys, just to reiterate at a high level, the video that you guys saw, I saw some comments, people are saying, no, Putka Anga, or wrong. You know, guys, I think there was a misinterpretation of the video. They did confirm to me that it was just them playfully engaging. They are both brothers, so let's not take it too personal. Our objective is simple here, because we're already here. We're going to help this young man and empower this young man. Okay, thank you guys for following us. We'll keep you guys updated, and I'll share the account number for Gogo for those who want to help Gogo. On our side, Gogo, what we're gonna do from the Black Child, we'll send you 1,500 rand for groceries. Okay, I thought because it's gonna be too much editing for me, so I have to be somewhere else. So we tomorrow account for Gogo, then we can just buy a few things for Christmas. Okay, and those who wish, guys, also to deposit to the account of Gogo, you can do so. I'll put the account details below. All right, thank you very much, guys.
Mara, you guys like to act brand new like South Africa. Especially when you guys come online, you like to act brand new as if you don't know the real situations of most South Africans. That video of that guy who's pouring ice cream a cup in a linga, and then you guys are like, ice cream. You know your financial situation at home. You know your financial situation at home. You understand that ice cream should be enough for everyone in that household. You know it. But you guys come on here as if you fight 10 in one day. You know your financial situation. It's the same thing as I saw a post of someone asking who said to South Africans that you must eat 4 slices of bread, because that's the standard. So we abuse as a joke. 4 slices. The reason why we eat 4 slices is because you understand, the bread that your mom buys should be enough for all the kids. And normally, no offense, but there's usually a lot of people in the house. So 4 slices normally works out for everyone. Good within the loaf of bread. But you guys come online here when a kid eats 8 slices and then a parent vents, why would it's like and then you guys are like, you know your situation at home. You know your financial situation at home. That one loaf of bread should be enough. You know what I mean? Like there's no other. So misuser knowing but you guys act brand new, yeah. And I knew never to take you guys seriously when that story salo Fidelis guy who allegedly stole 16 million rands from his work, and he was like an auditor, and then it came out that he was getting paid 69,000 rands per month for his salary, and you guys said it wasn't enough. I remember. I think I even have screenshots because I wanted to make a video of you guys saying 69,000 rands per month is not enough. Nina. That's when I knew not to take you guys serious. Huh? When most South Africans are getting paid less than 20,000. But online, everyone is rich. Everyone is making more than 100K. There's no such thing as okhulumela. The reason why people make points about it is because there's no other food. Once we cut the ice cream, 5 liters, you understand? So you guys like to act brand new. You don't know the financial situation. You're saying number one of most South Africans. Is South Africa an unequal country, or is that statistic lying? Because it can be it can be both. It's either South Africa is an unequal country, or sonke is rich. Because there's no way no can act in tin roof. I said no, guys. You have to and forget about mali. Just being a considerate person, Jeveli. You understand? The consideration goes a long way. So serious. You know, when it comes to anything that has to do with salaries, anything that has to do with equality, money, I'm serious. I know you guys are lying. Is South Africa an unequal country, or sonke is rich? Because you can't say it's an unequal country, but you guys come on here and act like 69,000 rands is a lot of money per month. Like you don't know the concept of I pay lentole, I say enye. Some people live like that. No, we grew up like that. Most of us grew up with cheese was like a big thing. Okay, this thing cheese is a big thing. You understand? So why are you guys acting brand new online? Magadina.